Og ute og tester elsykkelen for andre gang. Den står på 0 da, assistanse. Den skal ikke jeg bruke før jeg trenger det. Skal vi se. Skal vi se. Ja. Ja, jeg merker på bussen at jeg ikke har vært ute og trimmet på en stund. I think I want to talk a little English here. People understand what I talk about. It's a long time ago since I bicycled last time. I feel that on the wrong side. I'm thinking on a tree there. My God, you know. Yes, you know, it's now I think I'm taking it down to 0 again, 0, you see, but I'm not bicycling now because the wheel only rolling. I must take a little easy now because it's a very long time since I bicycle. I know I don't use, you see, I don't use the assistance because I don't need it. I will have a condition, not only this, so coming in this, yeah. I think it's yes. I think I want to do something about this mirror. I don't like it. It's too small. I know I'm coming, you see, but I take this number 3. Maybe this okay. Assistant 3. I try that. Yeah, but some condition. Some. And there I come back again. I set 1 because it's nearly up here. Try to fix this. There, I think. Oh my. Yes, it's very heavy for us with lung problems, but it's much better. I can take in number 2 as a stand 2. It'll be a little more easy and gotten higher gear. It's not so easy that you want in your brain. You want to do so much, but the physical is not there. So you know, so if you smoke, quit. You don't know how dangerous they are for you. You don't believe that. I am a living example on that. How dangerous the smoke is. I will stop a little.